tradition from Yeshua ben Levi, the shipi koiva ulamata, from the slant of the hat and downwards towards the body, it's kishera. Not the top of the kova, but from where it slopes downwards, there's a slope there that it makes it kosher. Says the Gemara, V'yama Rav Shimon ben Lakish said, Mugramis d'Rabbanan. Rav Shimon ben Lakish said, Mugramis d'Rabbanan kisheir Rabbi Yossi ben Yehuda, Rabbi Yossi Yehuda kisheir Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis. In other words, Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis is the most extreme. He holds that already the kova is considered to be a place kosher for shchita. Rabbi Yossi, Rabbi Yehuda is a little bit more kulidik. He says it's the pas gedola, but if you veer off to the kova a little bit, that's fine. And Rabbanan says you have to be totally under the kova, totally 100%. You can't veer off at all. So the Megremes the Rabbanan, when you veer off the Rabbanan pasel is kosher to Rabbi Yossi ben Yehuda, and whatever is off base by Rabbi Yossi ben Yehuda, if you shech totally in the kova, it would be kosher according to Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis. That's how it works out. Says the Gemara of Pshita, isn't that obvious? That's Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis' opinion. After the Gemara, I would have thought Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis ad Rabbanan koi mashmalan. I would think Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis only argues against the Rabbanan, and he holds like Rabbi Yossi ben Yehuda that you still have to be in the tabasa kedola, but you're allowed to veer off. So Kamash Malon, no, Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis is a brand new opinion. He holds that there's a higher limit. You don't even have to be in the tabasa kedola. You can be even higher, totally higher, and it'll still be kosher. How do you know Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis said that? He doesn't clearly say that you could shecht in the kova. So the truth is, in Cain, hey roleh mebayalei. If Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis was just arguing against the Chachamim, he would say, I have a tradition that you're wrong. But Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis said, I have a tradition, mugremis is kosher. In other words, whatever somebody was saying mugremis, that you're off base, I'm saying it's kosher. So it was implied that he had an extreme opinion, that Rabbanan said you can go up to here. Rabbi Yossi ben Yehuda said you could veer off a little bit, but you still have to be mostly in the tabasa gedola. And comes along Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis, and his language is, you call this mugremes, I say mugremes, this is not off base, this is not angled off this in the wrong place. The kova could be the right place. That's what we say. The hilchos of the halacha is Rabbi Chanina ben Tignis, that you could shecht in the kova. The koyer Rab Nachman kavase, because Rab Nachman held like him. So the bottom line is you could shecht in the kova. I'm not sure you can shecht totally on top. By the Rabbi Yochanan said don't shecht too high. Shimon Lakish says you could even shecht totally on the the flap, right by the flap. Anyway, Amar Rav Huna Amar Abasi. Chachamim, Rabbi Yossi and the Chachamim had an argument. They hold the maximum is tabasa gedola. So let's deal with that, and we're going to see that let's say there's a nice different opinion over here, and let's say you started the shechita from the bottom, and you started and it was totally in the tabasa gedola mostly, and then the last 2/3 you went into the kova. So Rav Huna said that is the machlokes. Rabbanan would say this is no good because you have to be totally underneath the kova, and Rabbi Yossi says that's good. Okay, that's the opinion of Rav Huna. Comes along the Gemara, but Rav Huna says that if you started off shechting and in the wrong place, but then you shechted in the right place, the last 2/3 you shechted in the right place. So you started off in the kova and you ended up in the tabasa gedola, and mostly in the tabasa gedola. So then even Rabbanan would agree it's good, because all agree it's no good. Because when did the animal die? When did the animal die? At 51%. At 51%, you did not. At 51%, you only shechted in a not good place, and then partially in a good place, but you didn't have roiv shechted in a good place. So all agree it's no good. So that's Rav Huna's understanding of this Gemara, of this machlokes. So let's read this inside.